Hi guys! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this fun Dollar Tree Halloween wreath. It's so simple to make and inexpensive. For this wreath, you're going to need one of the black cat yard stake signs from Dollar Tree, and we just broke off the yard stake part and I'm just using the black cat. You're also going to need a tinsel wreath, and this is a 12-inch Dollar Tree tinsel wreath, and I got it last year after Christmas, but right now some of the Dollar Trees are already starting to put out Christmas decorations. You're going to need some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire and 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire. You're going to need some vase filler, some little pumpkins. You're not going to need any of those eyeball shatterproof ornaments, but you will need some of those purple pumpkins. Next, I'm going to hot glue a pipe cleaner to the back of the black cat sign. So just add a lot of hot glue. Be very careful when you're using your hot glue. Place a pipe cleaner in the hot glue, and then I like to place a scrap piece of ribbon over the hot glue, then just set it aside and let it dry. Now I'm cutting some ribbon tails, and I'm cutting my ribbon tails or ribbon strips at 7 inches, and you're going to cut 3 of each color. Once you have 3 of each color of your ribbon cut, you'll want to dovetail both ends. Fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left side. Go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the end. So do that to all your strips of ribbon. This is also a great option just in case, like maybe you have a little bit of trouble tying bows. This is a great option. Instead of adding bows, you're just going to put your ribbon one strip on top of the other, pinch it in the center, take a pipe cleaner that you cut in half, wrap it around the center of your ribbon tails, give the pipe cleaner a few twists, and then you're going to want to cut your pipe cleaner just a little bit shorter and fold the ends down, because we're going to be hot gluing our ribbon tails onto the wreath. And I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I have mine set on low temp. You can make this wreath for any season or holiday. I was looking on Instagram and I ran across a page called White Christmas Wreaths. So I saw a picture of one of her wreaths, and so that's where I got my inspiration, from White Christmas Wreaths on Instagram. And here I'm just cutting off the pipe cleaner a little bit shorter, and I'm going to fold the pipe cleaner down, and then I'm going to add quite a bit of hot glue, and then I'm just going to space it out on my wreath. I only used 3 bundles of ribbon because it's only a 12-inch tinsel wreath from Dollar Tree. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a couple weeks, so Dollar Tree may have the tinsels wreath out new for Halloween. If they do, let me know in the comment section. Next, I'm just adding my sign, so I'm just taking my pipe cleaners, wrapping it around my tinsel wreath. I'm going to go to the back, give the pipe cleaners a few twists, then fold them down. And also I did add some hot glue so that my little cat sign would not move. And now I am adding some of the purple little pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I'm just hot gluing them on. Make sure you let everything have time to dry before you move it. In the center of each of my ribbon bundles, I'm going to add a glitter pumpkin, and these are just foam pumpkins. I think they're actually vase filler. So I'm just adding them to the center of each little ribbon bundle, and then I'm just taking this fall vase filler and just hot gluing some of the green little balls, spacing them out around the wreath, and then I also dressed up the little black cat's hat. This was so simple to make and easy. It's perfect if you haven't made many wreaths before, so it's perfect for a beginner wreath. And it turns out super cute and very inexpensive. If you make one, I would love to see it. I'm on Instagram at Keeping It Simple Crafts. I'm also on Facebook at Keeping It Simple Crafts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone's doing good and staying safe.